We bought another 50 bamboos this morning. So making it 200 bamboos now we have bought. This is today is 23rd October, 23rd October 2025. They will offload the bamboos now to help with the scaffolds because they will use it to support the weakened bamboos, already weakened bamboos, which have stayed there for months since February to October. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, about 8 months or more. Some of them have stayed there since 2024. So rain has fallen on them many times and the sun has beaten them. So they are weak. They cannot carry somebody as a scaffold again. So that's why we are buying bamboos to support those old ones that are weak, to support them uh, as a scaffold. Good, thank you. And other works are moving. God bless. You can see the arc, window arc, the window arc and the door arc already in place. They will be casted. These ones are being casted now. The arc, the beams and the pillars. God bless.